So whatever the name, whatever the name of the orbital it may be, suppose if it is an orbital, this is an orbital, this is an orbital, this is an orbital, this is an orbital, and even this is an orbital. So an orbital can contain maximum of 2 electrons only and should have opposite spin. That means suppose this orbital is there, so it contains 1 electron, or else it may contain 2 electrons. Okay, but it cannot hold 3 electrons. It cannot contain 3 electrons. So this orbital can accommodate, or else it can contain only 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons should have opposite spin. One is having clockwise spin and another one is having anti-clockwise spin, or else one is having a positive spin and another one is having negative spin. So we may tell either in the form of clockwise or positive or negative. So Pauli's principle says that if it is an orbital can contain maximum of 2 electrons only. So third electron can never, it is not possible at all. So maybe it contains 1 electron, or maybe it contains 0 electron, or maybe it contains 2 electrons, but it never contains more than 2 electrons. So like this. So this is the Pauli's principle. So according to Pauli's principle, so 1s contains how many electrons maximum? Maximum 2 electrons only. And even 2s also contain maximum 2 electrons only. But 2p contains how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. That means p can hold maximum 6 electrons. 2p suborbit. So this is said to be 2p suborbit. 2p suborbit. So all the 3 orbitals together, it is called as 2p suborbit. So individually this is 2p orbital, 2p orbital, 2p orbital, and these 3 together we will call it as 2p suborbit. So this is called as 2p suborbit, and individually they are called as 2p orbitals. So like this. So Pauli's principle says that an orbital can contain maximum of 2 electrons only. It does not contain a third electron or more than 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons should have opposite spin. So that is about the Pauli's principle. Next, Hund's rule. What does Hund's rule says? What does Hund's rule says? Hund's rule. Hund's rule says that sorry. When equal energy orbitals are available, when equal energy orbitals are available, okay, so the electrons enter into the orbitals singly first, and after all equal energy orbitals get 1 electron each, then only pairing will start. Then only pairing of electrons will start. So I will tell you the meaning of this one. Equal energy orbitals. First we have to know what is equal energy orbitals. For example, takes 2p suborbit. So in 2p suborbit,